Hey there and welcome back to Sonora and Scale Studios. In today's video we're going to open up this pack of 1.9 inch beadlock wheels by Hot Storm and get ready for it. This is an interesting one. The name of these, Popcorn On. They're a 4-piece set, 120 millimeter, 1.9 inch crawler tire. You're going to notice once you get a look at the tread pattern on here, you recognize these tires. If you're in the crawler hobby, 1/10 scale especially. BFG KM3s. The aliens have abducted yet again. They've cloned yet again. I've been saying it for 10 damn years, Miguel. Ain't I been saying it? They're getting better. They're getting better. The last couple sets of clone tires I've tested have been better. These are, again, leaped into a whole new category. They're a perfect clone. The sidewalls, not exactly. They did their own thing with the sides, which is cool. But this compound, very Predator-ish, really soft. Let's get a look at these wheels that we're going to mount them to. I'm going to throw this on the Ecto. These wheels are like a stamped steel beadlock design, really simple to put together, minimal hardware, nice kind of retro stamped steel look, and they've got a very low offset. They're like a deep dish, so it's going to widen the stance out on whatever vehicle you choose to put it on. Again, I'm going to put these on the Ecto. I think it's going to look tough. It's going to widen it out. These are a tough looking tire. Anybody that knows the BFG KM3 knows that it's a bit of an oversized tire, yet it retains scale realism. It looks great on Jeep builds. Very realistic tire because it's available as a full-size tire, and it's a very good performing tire in the RC market. These foams that come with them, they're pretty much junk like usual, but these are under 30 bucks, and right now on Amazon they're on sale. I'm going to link them in the description down below for both the wheels and the tires. Let's get them out on the backyard crawler course and see what they can do. All right, so backyard course approved. From here, we need to get them out in the mountains, real world, more extreme, see what happens. The foam's weak link for sure, but for 25 bucks, these things not only look like the ProLine BFG KM3. From this little initial first impression, the way that these are conforming to rocks, the way that they grip, the way they sound even as they go over the surface, they perform very similar to the BFG KM3 by ProLine in a Predator compound as well. So 25 bucks, it's worth a look. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being here. Hit that subscribe button before you leave, and we'll catch you in the next one.